Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to sync WooCommerce order with Google Sheet without using any plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to sync WooCommerce order with Google Sheet. So first we are going to create WooCommerce REST API. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are in WooCommerce setting and we are not using any plugin. Now you see advanced, so click on it. So we are in advanced tab and then you see REST API, so click on it. And then we are going to create REST API. Now you see add key button, so click on it. So we are going to create API key, so you can add description. So we added some text, so you can add text according to requirement. And then you see user, so you can select user. So this is our admin user, and then you see permission. Now you see drop down, now select read, write both, and then click on generate API key, so click on it. Now you see API key generated successfully, and then you see consumer key, consumer secret. So we are going to use these key in custom code. Now open Google Sheet, so click on it, and then you see blank spreadsheet, so click on it. Now Google Sheet open and then you can add Google Sheet name, rename it. So we added name WooCommerce order detail. So now we are going to add custom code and then you see extension, so click on it. And then you see app script, so click on it. So we are in code section, so we are going to remove it and then we are going to paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see code edit and then you see variable consumer key. So we are going to add both consumer key and consumer secret API key, and then we are going to add site URL. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then you see consumer key, consumer secret. So you can copy key, now copy. So you can paste here in this section consumer key. Now add it back to WooCommerce setting again copy. So we are going to add it. Now you see we added consumer key, consumer secret, site URL. So you can add your information, and then you see column order ID, order status, customer name, customer phone, billing, product total, date. So we are going to fetch this information from WooCommerce order. So you can rename it according to requirement, order ID, order status, and then you see order processing on hold completed. And then you see order.status, order.billing.first_name plus order.billing.last_name. So we are going to fetch information by using these attributes. Now you see we are using total, order.total. If you want, you can add more information, so it's up to you. Name, phone, billing.phone, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. And then click on save code, so click on it. Now saving, and then on left side you see trigger, so click on it. So we are in trigger section and then you see add trigger button, so click on it. Now you see add trigger for project, so this is pop up. Choose which function to run. Now select on edit, and then you see select event type, again select on edit, and then click on save. So you can choose an account, so click on it, and then you see advanced, so click on it, and then you see go to untitled project unsave, so click on it, and then you see allow, so again click on it. Now you see trigger created, so we allow access, and then you see trigger created. Now you see deploy, so click on it. Now you see new deployment, so again click on it, and then you see select type, click on it. Now you see web app, so again click on it. So you can add description, web app, who has access. So we added name, new description, so you can add according to requirement, web app, me, who has access. Now you see anyone, so you can select the option according to requirement and then click on deploy, and then you see deployment successfully updated. This is our deployment ID and URL. So we are going to use this URL in custom code. So you can copy this code. So we are going to add code in our WordPress website, and then we are going to add this code. Now go to WordPress dashboard again. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. So we are going to add PHP code, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. So we are going to add code. Now paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can find both code in video description or in comment section. And then we are going to add link. So this link we are going to add copy back to code. So we are going to paste here. Now you see edit, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to WooCommerce Google Sheet and refresh the page. Now you see column added, order ID, order status, customer name, customer phone, billing, product, total. Now we are going to fetch order. On top you see orders, so click on it, and then you see fetch order. So again click on it. Now you see running script. Now you see order ID, order status. So we fetch 10 order from WooCommerce, but in WooCommerce order section we have 171 order. Now back to WooCommerce. So each fetch we are going to import 10 order on each refresh. Again click on order, fetch order. Now you see more 10 order fetch. So in this way you can fetch all your order. Click on orders and then click on fetch orders. Now you see more order fetch, total 30 we fetch, and then you see order status processing. So when we change order status here, then this order status will change on our WordPress website. Now you see processing, so click on it. So we are going to change it to on hold. Now select. So we change order status on hold. Now go to WooCommerce order. Now you see processing. Refresh the page, and then you see order status processing change to on hold. If we change order status from here, now select, and then we are going to select processing and then click on apply. So this changes will affect on or auto apply on WooCommerce Google Sheet. Now you see order status processing. Now go to WooCommerce order sheet. Now you see order status processing, and then we are going to place new order to check we are receiving new order or not. So we are going to place new order. Now go to checkout page. So we are in checkout page. Now you see order detail. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now you see order placement done, order received, and then you see order number 7471. Now go to WooCommerce. Now you see order ID 7471 on hold. So this is our latest order. Now you see date. So in this way you can sync or link WooCommerce order data or detail with Google Sheet without using any plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.